If you've been thinking about getting a Kindle, I love the Kindle Color Soft. I just love something about the colors that brings me life. So this is how the colors actually look. I know that it's not super bright, but it's just good enough for me and my visual. Look at this. In the back, it has like this color part. I feel like it's really nice. And then this is where you turn it on. It's waking up at this time. And then this is how the color looks on the books. It's like a pastel color. It's not bright at all. However, it's good enough to enjoy everything on them. As you can see, like they have different colors over here. This is some of the examples that I have. And then this is another example of how they look, the colors. So it's really fast and you can just choose a book and it's opening, and then there you go. You can just see how fast it goes. And then of course, if you are reading, and you can choose your settings and everything, and if you're reading in color magazines or any others, like of course you probably will be able to enjoy more. But if not, honestly for me, just having the main page being color, I really enjoy it, honestly. You can also, as you can see over here, if you want to highlight something, you can just do it as well. I love highlighting things, so here it just gives you the option to do it or change the color of the highlight over there. And you can do it with yellow, pink, blue, or orange. And you just choose the color that you want to change it to, and it will change it. If you want to do pink, you will do pink. Or if you want to do perhaps yellow, you can do yellow, and that's the orange. So another fun way to read, and if you're a visual learner or you enjoy just the color in general, I feel like this is one of the things that you are gonna enjoy on your Kindle.